I think we've just kind of come to the realization here at archer+Alex that I'm just gonna do what I want. So, instead of making soap like I probably should, or reviewing fragrances like I probably should, um, I'm gonna do another DIY kit. It is what it is, it's happening, and today I'm going to be doing the Creative You Do-It-Yourself Sweet Breeze Soap Bars. So, if you remember from my last DIY soap making video, you probably remember it did not go well. I don't know if it's because I live my life with sin, or because these products are really cheap and probably really expired. But I do know that I'm going to try to do better this time. So if you want to see me make this bath soap kit thing, keep on watching and we're going to get right into it. Okay, so let's just get right into this. So this is evidently safe and easy to use, vegan friendly, phthalate free, which we love here, paraben free. Awesome. On the back, it says a do-it-yourself beauty collection for every maker. We'll see about that. Relax, embrace in peaceful comfort. Sure. So in here we have 2 white soap cubes, a clear soap cube, 1 soap mold, fragrance droppers, some mica, and a mixing stick, and 1 recipe card. Allegedly, the instructions are easy to follow. I'm looking at the ingredients and I'm already like, ooh. Evidently there's sodium talloate in here, which I believe that's like the soap fats of tallow. I could be mistaken. We do have sodium palm kernelate, which is palm oil, which, as you know, here at my brand, we don't use palm oil. So this is going to be real interesting. We evidently have some, like, geranium fragrance oil, vanilla fragrance oil, and it looks like they have mineral oil in them, so I'm trying to be optimistic about this, but in all honesty, my expectations are on the floor. So let's get this girl opened up. You know how we do it. Oh, Lord. A lot of plastic. You know how it works here. Plastic soap mold. The mixing and stirring stick is a popsicle stick. Oh, Lord. I'm having flashbacks to the last time we did this and how awful it went. So, let's try to keep our hope up. I want to investigate these fragrances. This is a recipe card, but there's not any instructions to this. Unless they're on the back of these soaps. Please see instructions for further details. Okay. Oh, there they are. Okay. I was getting a little worried for a second, but I've secured the instructions. This grass isn't horrible, the worms or whatever. I'll save that for packing orders, but the rest of this can go elsewhere. Alright. So, what we have to do is create your soap. Own soaps can be a little messy. I mean, yeah. Cover your work surface with paper towels or scrap paper, blah, 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 blah. Step 1, ask an adult to use a knife to cut 1 soap cube into 4 1-inch pieces and place them into a microwave-safe bowl. Then repeat this step with another soap cube in a second bowl. Microwave the soap cubes in 20 to 30 second intervals until they melt completely. Blah, 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 blah. Add color, use mixing stick. Blah, blah, blah. Pick a fragrance for your soap, or try combining them, blah, blah, blah. 8 to 10 drops into the melted soap. For a stronger smell, add more. Oh, okay. So, let's smell these. I literally can't smell anything. So the geranium one smells like nothing. The vanilla one has a little smell of vanilla. So I'm not sure what we're going to be able to achieve with these fragrance-wise, but we're going to give it a fair shot. So what I'm going to do is open these suckers up, and then try to. Man, this plastic packaging is impossible to get into. I'm docking points for that. Something tells me that Creative View no longer exists as a company, or they've rebranded or something, because the last few times that I've been at like Target or wherever, I've not seen any of their stuff. So I wonder if they've just completely disappeared. And I'm not sure what the total retail price of these kits are, but I'm pretty sure I paid like $3 or $4 a piece for these because they were on sale or something. Okay, so got everything unwrapped. I'm going to get these heated up and I will be right back. We'll change the camera angle so you can see what I'm doing and all of that fun stuff. Okay, so I am back. We are repositioned. So in this jar I have the clear melt and pour, and in this one I have the white melt and pour. It smells interesting. I've never had a glycerin soap-based smell like this before. I don't necessarily think that it's a bad thing. It's probably just from the quality of ingredients that they used, if I had to guess. But it's going to be fine. We're gonna power through. So we do have some micas. I learned the last time that you do not in fact try to open these with your teeth. Because these micas probably have like a metric ton of like mineral oils and stuff in them. So what I'm going to do is I kind of want this clear one to be a little bit darker. So we're going to add some of this like dark purple mica into it. I think that's going to be cute. And then in our white one, I kind of want it to be like a soft, like petally pink. So we're just going to do just a touch of mica. Cool. This kit definitely is not geared towards me because I do not like florals and I do not like gourmands. But that being said, we're gonna give it our best college try. So if I had to say out of which ones I liked, I would rather have more floral than gourmand or vanilla. So I'm gonna do like 5 drops in each one of the floral fragrance. And then I think we can add up to 6 in here. So I'm going to do like 1, 2 of the vanilla. Yeah, and we'll call that good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these up in the jars. And I decided with the mason jars because I was not going to put this stuff in my good dishes. My good soap making dishes anyway. And if it came out royally bad, it's easier to soak the stuff off of glass than it is plastic. Actually, that color's not horrible at all. Like, it's a really nice, like, almost like a bubblegum pink, if I had to guess, or say. And then we have this, like, kind of purpley one over here. Let me mix that into the clear. Still the fragrance, it's kind of non-existent, so I wonder if these are, like, older kits, maybe? So, like, there's not very much fragrance in them left, or the fragrance has, like, ghosted off. That would be my guess. But, yeah, let's try giving these the old pour. We'll do, like, some purple, some pink. You definitely do not need all of the soap that they call for. And because I feel bad for wasting, you guys know how it goes. I'm just gonna take one of my little silicone molds. So I'm gonna take one of these silicone molds. We're just gonna pour the rest into the bottom of it, because I have a hard time wasting. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not mad at that. So let's go ahead and let these kind of set up for a little while, and then we'll be back. I'll take them out of their little mold thingies, and then we can revene on if I think that this particular kit, if you can find it anywhere, is worth the money. Okay, so we're gonna unmold these now, hopefully, fingers crossed. Maybe. Honestly, the color kind of turned out really cool from what I can see so far. There we go. I would say this plastic part isn't, like, the easiest thing to unmold from, but, like, that could have been a lot worse. This is how it turned out. Like, it's not horrible. Like, the color turned out okay. I still don't smell any of, like, the fragrance that's in here. But, like, I mean, it was $4 or whatever. So I don't think we can expect very much from it. And this is the small little piece that I unmolded. Let me go ahead and grab some water and we can do, like, a little lather test. I have taken off my Apple Watch. I've grabbed a towel. Let's give this little dunkaroony and a little... Ooh. Or maybe not. It felt kind of slimy there for a second, but it's actually not bad. Little lather. So I don't know if you can see the lather. It's not as, like, foamy and frothy as the lather from my ready-to-wash soaps. But it's not bad. I mean, if you're looking for a craft kit, or you see these craft kits out in the wild, like, it's not a bad lather. I mean, it's not the most equally conscious crafting kit with, like, all the plastic and the mineral oil and the fragrance oils and stuff like that. But it's serviceable. Let me go grab one of my ready-to-wash soaps, and I can show you, like, just from the lather you saw on my hands versus my ready-to-wash soap, which is a similar soap type to this, or it's the same really. Just different ingredients, better ingredients. I'm going to show you the difference in lather. So this is the Juice is Loose ready to wash soap. I released it for our Halloween collection. We're going to do the same thing. Dunk it in the water a couple times just to get the bar wet and the suds going. And I think I did that much. Like, you can already tell the difference on the lather. So that's the lather from my bar. And there's still some lather on this one. I'll bet not that much. That's the lather on this soap. So if you compare the lather of that soap to my soap features ingredients like shea butter. And look at the difference in that lather. It's a lot denser, it's a lot richer. But I do invest a little bit more money in the quality of the soap base that I picked for the ready-to-wash soaps. Alright, cool. So, all in all, Creative You, you've kind of redeemed yourself a little bit. The only things I'm going to dock points for are the quality of the fragrance. So, I mean, while there's not phthalates in them, I don't know when this was released. Let's see if we can find it. 2021. So distributed in 2021. So 3 years later, and the fragrance provided is completely gone. So that stinks. And then you have all the plastic packaging. That also kind of stinks. But all in all, if you can find these and you're lucky to have fragrance in your kit, I say go for it. This one actually wasn't bad. And while I may personally not use this, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this bar off, and I'll put it in with like my little donation pile or what friends and family can pick out of from the soap scrap box. But if you see it, I say go for it. But yeah. So, thanks for joining. I'm trying to get back to my regular upload schedule of once a week. We made some fun soap today. I have some more videos coming out of soap making and product making. I'm really ramping up videos being released on Instagram and TikTok. We have a lot of shorts going out, but thanks for joining me today. I can't wait to see everyone. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you really like this video. It really helps grow our channel over here. If you want to join the Brat Pack, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell if you want notified anytime that I post a video. Until next time, thanks for joining us, and stay safe, stay happy, and toodles!